Let's make a very low budget breakfast together while I share a story from one of my followers, and this is her true life experience. My dad had departed since I was 1, and my mom had been the one taking care of me. But the problem with my mom is that she doesn't understand that material things is not enough for me. Because I need parental love, and I started living with my grandmother, but she passed away when I was 6. She was the only one that showed me love. When my grandma passed, my mom took me to go live with my grandfather and his new wife. My grandfather's wife did not like me at all, and she did not even like any of my grandfather's children, talk more of grandchildren. Went back to stay with my mom, and she paid for me to learn hairdressing. I wasn't in school because I kept changing where I stay, so I had to drop out. Mom would travel for months, and I won't see her till I had to stop going to that hairdressing place to get her attention, because I knew that if my boss called her and told her that I'm no longer coming, she might just come home. What shocked me was she didn't even care, because she didn't listen and she didn't come back. Incident happened in our area and someone forced himself on me. So our neighbors called her and explained everything to her. She was shocked and she came home, but I was stupid enough to think that she had changed, because she never did, even after such happened to me. I was so tired of everything with my mom, so I left home and went to stay in church. I started living there not knowing that I am pregnant, because I was a virgin before someone forced himself on me. The pastor took me in and started taking care of me and my pregnancy. While staying with the pastor, I found out that the guy that forced himself on me is the pastor's son. I told the pastor everything and he apologized and fully took responsibility for my pregnancy. The boy kept telling his dad that he is not the father of my child, but the dad just asked him if he forced himself on me or not, and then he accepted that he did. Everything was going well. I gave birth to a boy and the pastor then passed away. This was the saddest thing to ever happen to me. His wife collected the baby and chased me away from their house. I started going from place to place. I lived with a friend who later chased me away because of her boyfriend, and now I have started living in the streets, a street girl at 20. Anyways, I'm just in the streets looking for where I can start my new life.
Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you all. If you like my contents, please do well to engage and subscribe, and tell me the next content you want me to talk about or create. I love you all. Bye bye.